Gymnastics hand grips are essential for those who participate in gymnastics or CrossFit exercises. There are many products available to choose gymnastics hand grips, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best gymnastics hand grips from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bare Complex 2 and 3 Whole Carbon Hand Grips. Bare Complex hand grips are the best hand grips on the market, designed to provide comfort, support, and protection during your workouts. Made from genuine leather, these grips feature a custom wrist strap that ensures a comfortable fit without digging into your wrist. The superior leather material reduces slipping, allowing you to maintain a firm grip on the bar, whether you're doing pull-ups or using the spiel bar. With durable triple stitching, these grips offer full support and stability, so you can focus on dominating your WOD without worrying about your hands. The quadruple stitching provides an even stronger and longer hold on the bar, ensuring these gloves won't dig into your wrist or open. Number 2. Gibson Rainbow Gymnastics Grips for Beginner. Gibson gymnastic hand grips are designed to enhance your grip and control during workouts. The high-quality materials and craftsmanship ensure durability. These grips are perfect for beginners, offering support and flexibility to boost confidence. Crafted from soft leather, they provide comfort and protection. The adjustable straps make them easy to use for quick adjustments. Made in the USA, choose from 3 sizes for a secure fit tailored to your needs. Number 3. Gymnastics Grip Set. Liviero Grip Set is a top-quality gymnastics accessory designed to enhance your performance. The soft leather material ensures comfort and durability, while the adjustable finger holes prevent rubbing during routines. With double stitching and stainless steel buckles, these grips are built to last from practice to competition. The set includes neoprene wristbands and a mesh carrying bag for added convenience. Suitable for all skill levels, the double buckle closure system makes them easy. Number 4. 2 Gymnastics Grips Wristbands Sets for Kids Youth. The Abelo Gymnastics Grips Wristbands Sets for Girls Youth Kids are the perfect outfit for your kids' gymnastics training. Made of quality artificial leather and cotton, these grips are comfortable to wear and provide palm protection to prevent blisters, cuts, or bruises. The included wristbands are sweat-absorbing and breathable, ensuring a secure grip and preventing the gymnastics bar from slipping out of your hands. With adjustable sizes, these grips and wristbands are suitable for most kids and teens. They can be used for various exercises such as gymnastics, pull-ups, lifting, yoga, and more. The Abelo Gymnastics Grips Wristband Sets are a must-have for any young gymnast, providing a good grip and keeping hands and wrists dry, while preventing blisters and calluses. Number 5. Gibson Just Right Uneven Bar Gymnastics Grips. Gibson bar grips are specially designed for young female gymnasts, offering a slim silhouette with sewn-in dowels for optimal strength and stability. The adjustable double buckle straps provide unmatched stability, preventing rips and blisters, to ensure a strong and comfortable grip during routines. Precisely sized for a secure fit, these grips feature 2 finger holes reaching the first knuckle, granting control and maneuverability. Made in the USA with high-quality American leather, these grips excel in performance and craftsmanship, delivering a top-notch gymnastic experience.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.